sky is so beautiful right now. Cody boy. Cody. Not the rod. There's still leaves from the hurricane. But look how beautiful. Okay guys, we're at the grocery store. We're gonna get this sweet bread. Period. Becca, we just went to the we just went to the dentist. Becca's getting this, and I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay, guys. Wait, I want to try it. We actually got some chocolate on. It tastes like bread.
Here, get a bite.
Okay, I'm here. Oh my god. Why are they being evil? They're being such snobs. 0 out of 10. Stop sticking out the middle finger. Oh my god.
Come on.
2 out of 10.
Oh, look at my wallet.
Not good. No, it's right here.
This way.
Becca, this way. Bro, I have to pee so bad. What was that? Ew. Just get a real pineapple. I have this top under.
Oh, that's one. Right, here's a tiny one.
Yeah, but that's $2.
Yeah.
That might be better.
No.
These are my mom's old jeans when she was younger. She worked in the oil field.
No,
Excuse me? Can we go now?
Go.
she's wearing my shoes.
Well, wait, actually,
Ooh,
let me
can we try
one.
this one?
No, I'm just kidding. No.
Can we try
Try
this?
the mango one.
Becca.
No, let's try this one.
No, strawberry.
Yes, this strawberry one.
This one's strawberry. What is the
This
difference?
Strawberry coconut.
That one's coconut,
Coconut
this
milk.
one's milk.
Let's get this one.
What? This one is probably better.
No, this one.
Okay, we'll go
Ew,
try
but this
it.
one tastes better.
Open it and put it back if it's not good.
Mom. Guys, I'm not cutting that out.
Come on, let's go. We're done. Let's talk.
No, I'm looking for the coconut water that I get.
They don't have it here.
I'm
Okay, you taste it first.
Pick up the
We got
strawberry.
this.
The strawberry thing too. Like,
She already threw it around and tossed it and beat it up. This, I'm gonna get copyrighted. I have to turn it off. I know it's a good song. You don't like it? Do you like it or not? Use your words. Come on. Becca, any day now. Whatever, I'm listening to music. Okay, let's try it, guys. Okay, this is what it looks like.
Open this?
No, not that yet. Just eat your chip.
Wait, where am I from?
Here. Do you like... Did you like it, Becca? You didn't even say anything about the drink.
You try it.
Okay, you didn't like it then. I had to spit my gum out.
oh, what the fuck? This is sugar free.
It tastes the same.
It doesn't even taste that bad. It tastes like a Danimals or something.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Let me try it.
7.8 out of 10. You don't like it?
I don't really taste anything.
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna try the bread. What's it called? A concha? How do we not know these things? Why don't you feed us more like our cultural food? This one says mandelada.
What's the name of the damn bread for
Oh
that?
my gosh.
These are like the book of life.
Stop. Oh, anyway, look at it.
These are like the book of life.
Yeah.
How do you say it?
Yes.
Concha? Concha? How do you say it.
Conchas.
I'm not gonna be quiet. You failed Spanish. Oh my gosh.
You have to take go over there.
So
too.
good. Do you know what it's made out of? So good. Okay, never mind. I don't like this anymore. The what?
You just need to drink it like a little at a time. So just don't freaking send it to her.
Oh, I'm mad now.
Tokia, Tokia.
What?
Just kidding.
It's not a thing, Mom, because you're being retarded. What are y'all talking about?
That has $10 on it today, but shoot.
$2 a day? I got a whole month.
Are we going to Tractor Supply?
Yes.
Or where are we going? Where are we going? Tractor Supply?
Let's go to Goodwill.
Okay, guys, we're going to. Oh yeah, wait. Can we go to Goodwill?
They don't have power.
Yeah, they don't.
We have to go. Dang, I can't believe that they don't have no power still. We're going to Tractor Supply. We'll see y'all there. Becca, stop.
She's gonna open that.
No. No, I don't care if she opens it. She's like sticking up her middle finger every time I point the camera. Anyway, ew, are you serious? We tried the pink one. I like it better. They don't like it. And now I feel sick. Ew, Becca. Guys, look how
Do
cute
those
these
really
boots
fit your
are.
foot good?
Yeah, they do.
Try this one on. It's a
Perfect.
7. I just want to see what the difference
Oh
is.
my gosh, bruh. Anyway, they're so cute. We're probably gonna get them.
6 up here.
Becca, stop. Anyway, I'm really about to drop this. Holy crap. Okay. Got the chicken food. Got my boots. The new boots. They're so cute. Ow. They have like horses on them and stuff. But anyway. I'm about to go to my older sister's house and just hang out for a bit. But yeah. Lord, please help me. I can't get it open. I hate this shit. Okay. Anyway. Done. We have this little cup thing. Whoops. This cup thing we keep in here. Let me just fill it up. Like that. Anyway. I already got 4 eggs earlier because I already checked. But they're not laying that many because it's freaking hot as a bee out here, you know? Oh, peep the new boots. Look, they got horses, cows. I love it. Like in farm, the ducks, and Cody boy. They're so cute. I love them though. Anyway, yep. Oh, what is that? Bruh. Okay, guys. I just got back from my sister's house, and the sky is looking beautiful again. Bro, what? Okay, it's like pink and purple right now. But back home, she gave me Cody. Really? She gave me some strawberries. But I'm about to make a smoothie. I've been making this blueberry smoothie a lot lately, and it is so good.